Changes in California's solar industry are complicated, and there's a lot of misinformation out there. We'll help you separate fact from fiction. Fact: traditional utility power in California is charged using a time-of-use model. You pay an off-peak rate during the day when usage is low, and a much higher on-peak rate in the evening when usage goes up. Fiction: you'll definitely save money if you go solar without a battery. Under the new regulations, you'll be put on new off-peak and on-peak utility rates as part of the solar billing plan. You'll also receive a small solar credit for any extra power you send to the grid during the day. The problem is, most of the energy you use will likely be in the evening when there's little to no solar power, making you dependent on the grid for about 77% of your peak power. So even though your new utility rates look lower, the new combined cost of solar plus your utility bill could actually be higher than before. Fact: pairing a battery with your solar helps you maximize potential savings. During the day, any extra solar power you're not using in real time is now stored in your battery. After sunset, the battery switches on to run your home, dramatically reducing the amount of grid power you use at the new high utility rate, ultimately resulting in greater potential savings. A battery lets you take back control of your energy. It can also protect you against outages and help you live life on your terms.